Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Monday morning, it's the 18th day of May, and as I make this, it's in the low 70s. It's very warm and very humid, dew point of 69. So yeah, cloudy skies, showers on the radar. Some of you were very lucky today on the amount of rain that you may have gotten at your particular location. It was spotty. For instance, only 0.17 of an inch of rain here. The airport had 0.56, and just north of the airport, a couple of towns had 2 and 3 inches of rain yesterday. Today's going to be much like yesterday in that the rainfall amounts will be very uneven, but there'll be a lot of showers on the radar. I'll show you feature radar. Upper low will be one of the factors affecting the weather this week, and that always offers some question marks about how the weather may perform. I'll try to explain that for you. And there's also Tropical Storm Arthur nearing the North Carolina coast this morning, and maybe some heat by the Memorial Day weekend. Those are the headlines. Let's get into what's going on.
Many cities and towns saw this yesterday. This is one neighborhood here in East Montgomery. It happens to be mine. 1,700 of an inch of rain at my location. Some of you did a whole lot better than that. It was great to see, wasn't it? And today, again, better than normal rain chances with that low coming out of eastern Mississippi and the western Alabama and the attendant cool front as the catalyst for more showers and storms. But like yesterday, the rainfall amounts will be uneven. Some towns will do very well. Nice downpours. Other towns, not as much. Here's a little snapshot at 1 o'clock in the afternoon showing some locally heavy downpours here and there across the area. Meanwhile, approaching the North Carolina Outer Banks and making a closer encounter today will be Tropical Storm Arthur. More on that in just a moment. For us, showers and storms are a good bet today with a high temperature up to about 81. We'll take any raindrops we can get. Tonight's low 59. Very humid today. South winds 10 to 15. Now, the rainfall amounts will be very uneven, but if you were to even them out, it could look like this, maybe from 1/3 of an inch to 1/2 an inch or 2/3 of an inch, depending on what town you live in today, so good luck. Tomorrow, a cooler day with a sun and cloud mix. I think we're generally dry. I'll keep the rain chances not zero, but because of an upper low coming out of the Ohio Valley, which always offers forecast dilemmas, we'll keep the rain chances around 10% on Tuesday and Wednesday. But some of the nicer, cooler air aloft from that low will mix down to the surface, meaning the nights will be comfortable and the days will be comfortable as well. We can't keep the rain chances at zero, but very small, and then maybe about a 30% chance of a shower or two, maybe a thunderstorm on Thursday. But we start to heat up as we get to the Memorial Day weekend forecast. We'll be teasing 90 degrees, I think, on Friday, and maybe into the 90s by the time we get into Saturday. So a hot and steamy forecast with some isolated storms here and there in the heat of the afternoon. I've got the high tomorrow around 79. That's nice after a morning low of 59. And then, very comfortable Wednesday, rain chances 10%, mid-80s on Thursday with some scattered showers. And then we'll keep rain chances small in the forecast Friday and Saturday. More on the Memorial Day weekend here in just a moment. In the meantime, we're looking at an upper-level high-pressure area that will build over the weekend. This is Saturday and Sunday, and that means that's going to promote the hotter temperatures over the Memorial Day weekend. So I've got the rain chances in the 20% range Sunday. I think we are into the low to mid-90s on Sunday. And here is a review of the next few days. We're talking about near 90 on Friday, lower 90s on Saturday, low to mid-90s on Sunday, and low to mid-90s on Memorial Day Monday, with rain chances running about 20% each day. Tropical Storm Arthur is very unorganized now, approaching the North Carolina coast, now about 135 miles from Cape Hatteras, with 45-mile-an-hour winds, and moving north-northeast at 14 miles per hour. Tropical storm warning continues in effect along the North Carolina coast, and then looks like a lot of rough seas along the middle Atlantic coastal region, but then Arthur turns out to sea and may have an encounter with Bermuda. First storm of the season, Arthur.
All right, that's all I have for you this morning. Hope you had a nice weekend and have a great day today. Carry the umbrella. You're going to need it, I think, from time to time. I'll be live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 and live on CBS 8 and ABC 32 as well. Their morning program is Alabama Rising. There'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. That's the official post time, but a lot of times I get it out a little bit earlier than that. Have a good day today, and I'll talk to you later.